So here's the setup. You look on top, got the little stack up there, and that top vent is drawing in fresh air. And this is your exhaust, and I can feel it coming out. And there it is. Once again, it's just mocked in. That's why I've got the styrofoam around it. Compressor just kicked on. And it works. And that's going to work well for ventilation. Supposedly these new AC units, you don't need a drain for condensation. I'm going to put a pan underneath it with a drain because I don't trust that. Using the spot where the fridge was, we're making a box. We're going to have a top on the box. It's going to go out to this vent, and that's going to be the exhaust for the hot air coming out. And then we keep all these vents open but separated from the exhaust, so all those intake vents are going to draw air from here, and then there's a stack up top so it can get fresh air drawn in. This thing's going to work like a charm. I know it will. Here it is. This will be for the exterior. Flip it around. Interior. Sorry. Mitered side's going to actually be to the air conditioner since it's slanted. So your air conditioner butts up to this. Your flat side's going to be to the exterior. I'm probably going to put maybe some 1x4s around it. Have that to mount to the actual camper. Keep everything good and solid. Alright, look at that. Pretty good. Yeah, I missed a couple. Oh well, I got it. Used some scrap pieces around the house so I didn't have to go back to the lumber yard. Seems to be pretty solid, and I can tell you this AC is locked in there. That's not moving. Tight fit, just the way you want it. I might get me a little bit of insulation and stuff in there just to keep anything in or out. The rest of that thing looks good. Here's the inside view. Like I said, that dude's solid. Got a little brace there just to keep things from, avoid it from flopping around. There's an anchor point under there, so it's secure. It's not going to come out. The only thing left now is just to put a panel over it, and we're going to call it done. There it is. Finished product. Got the panel on. Got it all painted. I think it looks pretty good. What you think? Hit me up in the comments. What do you think?